Okay, so this video shows that the family of three periodics in the elliptic billiard, shown here P1, P2, P3, the blue triangles, has three associated hyperbolas. They're drawn here as orange, magenta, and an off-color blue. Okay, it has three associated hyperbolas, whereby each one of them is tangent to two internal bisectors of the three periodic, while simultaneously being tangent to one external bisector of the three periodic. Okay, so if you notice here that for each one of these color-coded hyperbolas, you're going to notice this property. They are tangents to two internal bisectors and tangent to one external bisector. There are three of them. Their centers, K1, K2, and K3, happen to be the symmedian points of three subtriangles. These subtriangles are formed by two excenters, shown here as P1 prime, P2 prime, and P3 prime, vertices of the excentral triangle. Which one of these hyperbolic centers is a symmedian of subtriangles of the excentral triangle with a common vertex at the incenter x1 of the original three periodics.